Hi, this is Babber from Babber's Big Ideas, and today we're painting the ceiling.
About a month ago, we took down the texture from my daughter's ceiling, and now we're ready for paint. First we put down drop cloths, and now the materials you will need are a paint tray, a tray liner, a brush, a 6-in-1 combo tool, a roller cage, and a 15mm nap roller for ceilings, an adjustable extension pole, and the paint. This is a flat ceiling paint by Deluxe, which was highly recommended by my professional painting brother. The first step we did was cutting in.
And we're also cutting in. Now, because we're doing the walls next month, we are not worrying about cutting in too precisely because it will look perfect when we do the walls. Just making sure we're heavy enough on the ceiling and that no blotches are on the wall that will affect the wall. So, loading up a roller. Splattering. This paint is much different than the other paint, actually. It really glides. Okay, so I think it's good enough.
And now we're rolling it on the ceiling. Being careful to not put too much pressure on and get the lines in between. Can you spot the difference?
Done and done. Not done and done.
After quite a bit of work, we've managed to finish doing 2 coats of paint. Stay tuned for the wall painting. Bye.